animals on the farm. Raju is a farmer. He works on the farm. Every day, Rooster wakes him up early in the morning. Then Raju takes his dog for a walk. The dog guards Raju's farm. Raju gives milk to the cat. The cat catches mice on the farm. Raju goes to the cow shed. He gives the cows fodder to eat. Then he milks the cows. He then goes to the chicken coop. He feeds the chicken. He collects all the eggs. Raju goes to the duck pond. He feeds the ducks. He collects the duck eggs. He goes to the stable. He brushes the horses. He gives them fresh hay to eat. Raju goes to the sheep pen. He takes the sheep to the pastures where they eat fresh green grass. Dog helps Raju manage sheep. Then he goes to the rabbit's cage. He puts fresh grass and water for the rabbits. Then he goes to the farm with his ox. Ox help him plow the field. He then waters the farm. On Sunday, he goes to the market. He uses donkey to help him take things to the market. He sells fruits and vegetables that grow on his farm. At the end of the day, he heads home on his cart.